Hi everyone. A very warm welcome to all our fans, our partners, and our friends in the media joining us on the live stream today. My name is Shou, and I'm the President of International at Xiaomi. These are extraordinary times. Xiaomi has friends and family all around the world. Our thoughts and our prayers are with everyone dealing with the pandemic today. Xiaomi pledges to donate 1 million masks across Europe in the shortest time frame possible. Now today, I am very excited to launch 3 new 5G smartphones. So today is going to be the first global official launch of the Mi 10 series. Now as you may already know, the Mi 10 series video performance is incredibly impressive. With 8K video recording, a host of software features, and nearly unmatched stabilization, this is a beast of a video phone. Now to give you some context, 8K is an amazing 16 times bigger than Full HD. Now simply put, it's just more detailed than ever before, even more than what some of the professional video equipment can record. Now Mi 10 Pro really enables you to express yourself. At launch, it achieved the world's #1 ranking on DxOMark's video score. Now it's important to note that nearly all the capabilities are carried over from Mi 10 Pro to Mi 10. Now of course, the 108 megapixel is the big standout here. This is really more than just a number. From a practical point of view, it gives you more detail than ever before. Again, both the Mi 10 and the Mi 10 Pro offer this. So this is not just in the ultra high-end variant. Mi 10 Pro supports up to 10x hybrid zoom and 50x digital zoom. To give you a sense of the zoom range, each of these shots were taken from exactly the same point, from 0.6x optical all the way to 50x digital. Now I want you to pay attention to the 50x digital picture. Look at this. You can even see this person next to the house that you cannot see with your naked eye. Combining all these, it is not hard to see why DxO rated the Mi 10 Pro the world's best smartphone camera. Incredible dual speakers and gorgeous colors inside and outside. In fact, because of these, DxOMark for the 3rd time gave us top score in this area. So combining all this, the Mi 10 Pro gives you amazing video, amazing audio, and an amazing camera experience. All 3 rated #1 at release by DxOMark. Now the Mi 10 offers a very similar experience. Here is the Mi 10 Pro in a smooth matte solstice gray. The Mi 10 Pro also comes in a matte alpine white with gold accents. Mi 10 comes in coral green. It also comes in twilight gray. Mi 10 is faster, better connected, cooler than cool, and more powerful than ever before. Overall, it is 25% faster and offers support for the new network technologies, 5G and Wi-Fi 6. Now, in order to keep this beast cool, we've added an advanced liquid cool system with multiple layers of graphite that helps to disperse the heat more evenly. Overall, this can reduce device temperature by up to 10.5 degrees Celsius. So this keeps our Mi 10 series fast, cool, and calm, ready for anything. For the first time ever, we are offering LPDDR5 as standard in the Mi 10 series. This is the fastest RAM available in the market today. What this means for the average user is faster performance and increased power efficiency. So all these combined has earned the Mi 10 Pro a top antutu benchmark score of 602,000 at the time of launch. We'll be launching the Mi AIoT router AX3600. This is our first Wi-Fi 6 router, and it will be available to you very, very soon. It's going to be available at just 119.99 euros, making it, as always, an amazing product at an honest price. Mi 10 Pro has an amazing 50-watt wired charging. Now, this is one of the very fastest charging standards available. What it can do is that you can charge your entire device in just 45 minutes, which, by the way, wireless charging is a very real use case when you're working from home. 30 watts wireless charging. This is a huge leap forward, not only for us, but the entire industry. We didn't even cut corners with our inbox charger. We've included a 65-watt charger for your Mi 10 Pro. Now, this is a great charger for not just your phone, but your laptop and your gaming portables. The Mi 10 Pro has achieved the triple crown on DxOMark rankings. #1 in video, #1 for camera, and #1 in audio. Now, this is a huge achievement for us, and something we've been working and pursuing over the last few years. But we will not stop here. We will stay dedicated to constantly improving products for you, our users. Our prices will start at €799 and €999 for Mi 10 Pro. These are the best prices you'll find for devices of this caliber in the market today. As I said, we'll be launching 3 new smartphones today, all of them 5G. And the third of those is going to be the Mi 10 Lite 5G. With a video experience built with creators in mind, it includes features like Pro Mode, Shoot Steady, and our new AI dynamic skyscaping, which allows you to set unique background filters on your videos. Now, those are perfect for social media posts. We've powered it with Qualcomm's quasi-flagship Snapdragon 765G, which offers smooth speeds and 5G connectivity. Alongside the great processor, we've also included an in-screen fingerprint sensor, a 48-megapixel quad camera, and high-capacity battery. It's to make 5G accessible. So it needs to have an accessible price, right? This is why we are going to be pricing Mi 10 Lite 5G at just €349 to start. We'll be offering you something big. Any guesses? That's right, the 65-inch Mi TV 4S. I've been using one at home, and it's perfect for family events or for those long movie marathons at home. Now, in terms of pricing, it's going to be available early bird, starting at just €549. We're introducing the compact and powerful Mi Air Purifier 3H. This device comes with a true HEPA filter. It eliminates 99.97% of harmful dust particles. That's nearly everything. Will be available at just €179. One more thing. Listen smart with Mi True Wireless earphones too. We've improved the True Wireless design, and they're built for excellent sound and convenience. And of course, the best price possible, starting at just €79.99. Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, the world's best work-from-home smartphone with amazing video, leading camera, and the best charging experience. We've also launched the Mi 10 Lite 5G, making 5G more accessible. Now, beyond that, we've launched 5 amazing AIoT products. The Mi Air Purifier 3H, 2 AIoT routers, the Mi True Wireless earphones 2, and our 65-inch Mi TV 4S. 8 killer products at 8 honest prices, allowing everyone in the world to enjoy a better life through technology.
Xiaomi